Good morning. Happy Friday. We made it. This is the How to Writing Part 4. When we started this on Tuesday, we made a list of all the things that we know how to do at school, outside, at home, and in the kitchen. And you came up with a list of things that you know how to do and you wanted to talk about. And I asked you to choose one. I chose how to build a snowman. So on Wednesday, you illustrated 4 steps necessary to teach us how to do that thing that you wanted to teach us. On Thursday, you added the directions. So in order to build a snowman, here are my directions using the words first, next, then, and last. Today we're going to finish it by putting it all together. So you have a piece of paper like this. One thing I will warn you is you probably need 2 copies of this. I did. So I'm going to take my first, next, then, and last, and I'm going to write it. On the top line is your title, How to Build a Snowman. And you notice those words begin with capital letters because it is a title. And we've talked about that before. When you begin writing, you're going to indent 2 or 3 fingers and start with your first word. And you notice I copied them exactly. First, roll a large ball of snow. First, roll a large ball of snow. Now here, each one is separated, but now that I'm writing the directions, next is going to come right next to that period. Next, roll 2 smaller balls of snow and stack them on the first ball. There's my period. Right after it is going to be the word then. And I notice as I'm checking, I forgot a comma. It's always a good thing to go back and check your work. Then add 2 eyes, a nose, and a mouth to the top ball of snow. There's my period. Last comes right after it. And you can see I needed 2 pages. Add buttons, a scarf, arms, and a hat to complete your snowman. And then I added, have fun. If you were teaching me how to swim, maybe you'd write, happy swimming, or happy bike riding, or just something to tell us a little bit more. Then here, I want you to draw a picture of you doing that thing. You might copy your last picture that you did from here, or it might be a different one. It could have been maybe a snowman with me and my 3 kids, something, but it would have to be about that snowman and it would have to look like this. You know, I have to have a hat, I have to have a scarf. Anything I said in here has to be there. Then what I want you to do is you're going to take a picture of all 3 of these and send it to me. And that will be your grade for your how-to writing. So I hope you had fun this week. And I hope you learned something because this is something that we will continue doing. And it is clearly something that will happen as you move up through the grades. So I'll see you a little bit later for our last lesson of the week. Bye-bye.